hey, did you know that you can now retarget your Instagram followers also? It's a relatively new setting in Facebook and Instagram advertising. Facebook and Instagram advertising is all under one because it's owned by the same company. It's the Instagram ads are also run on the platform Meta, which both is for Facebook and Instagram. So I'll show you now how to find it. I'm here in a new ad set, and you just first you create a campaign, of course, and you go to the ad set, and then you scroll down. You scroll down to audience here, and then first you have to create a custom audience. So we do that, create new custom audience, and then you can choose between all these, but here is Instagram account. That's Facebook page, events, on Facebook listings, video viewers, your website, people who visited your website, your customer list if you have that, an email list for instance. But let's do the Instagram account now. Click next. Then make sure it's the right Instagram account that you're targeting, or that you're making a custom audience of. And here you have now different options. You have people who follow you, this one. Then you can also do people who engage with you, and then you can choose how many days, the last year, or you can choose less. Even anybody who just visited your Instagram account, or who engaged with the post or an ad, or people who saved any post or any ad. So, but I'm gonna do the followers, and yeah, then you can give it a name, ID followers, and then just create audience, and that's it. Then after that, you can go on and create an ad, or you can create another custom audience, or you can make a lookalike, meaning that you can find people who are similar to the people who are following you, which is very, very powerful also. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, and Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.